Like an easy way to uninstall apps and save space, and this is for apps that you normally can't uninstall that are built into your phone. So an example, on this phone, I don't really use Meet, so I could uninstall it to get rid of to save some space. But if I try to uninstall, it won't let me because it says it's a built-in app. You cannot uninstall this app, but you can hide it. So here's how to uninstall this app, or any app. So you go to the app info page, which you could get through the settings. Like basically, go through your settings menu, and then go to apps, and this is where you can uninstall your apps. So you find the app you want to uninstall, like oh yeah, we're gonna disable Meet, and then you tap on it, and then you can see it's using 217 megabytes. We could delete that and save that space. So what you gotta do is hit the three dots and hit uninstall updates, hit OK, and then it'll still show as installed on your phone, but as you can see, it uses basically no storage space. And now we have to disable it. So disable app, and then that means it won't update again, and it'll stay disabled and stay small size, like 106 kilobytes, which is like less than a megabyte. And that's how you uninstall apps that are built into your phone that you normally can't. Well, you can't really uninstall it, but you could delete most of the data that it's taking up. Hope it helps.